How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat for men, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So with belly fat, you guys, it can be very, very difficult to lose weight. A lot of people, what they do is they go for the calorie kind of direction, and they focus on tracking their calories, eating in a caloric deficit. Now, I have pretty good, I'm pretty good at following calories. I'm pretty disciplined. It can get tough even for me to really be in a caloric deficit. So for other people who aren't as experienced, it can be very difficult to stay and maintain a caloric deficit for a long period of time. It's actually really, really difficult. That's why a lot of people have issues losing weight. So I don't want to talk about calories really. I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about metabolism. Metabolism is basically how many calories you can eat without gaining fat. It's how fast your body burns food. So with metabolism, the key is to try to have it as high as possible. That's why you'll hear skinny people say all the time, oh, I ate like 3 pizzas, or I had like 2 hamburgers. I ate all this food and I don't gain any weight at all. That's because they have a super, super high metabolism. That was me when I first started lifting weights. My metabolism was insane. I was sitting at about 200 pounds. Sorry, this was after a couple of years of lifting weights. I'm sitting at about 190, 195, maybe even 200 pounds. And I was requiring about 6,000 calories a day to continue gaining weight. That's when I was about 20 years old or so. Now that I'm approaching 30, I'll be 30 in June. For me to bulk, about 4,000 calories. So much better than 6,000. My metabolism has dropped, which is not a bad thing for me anyways. That is when I'm lifting weights 5 or 6 times a week. Now, what happens is if I only lift weights once or twice a week, my maintenance phase, so I don't work out 6 times a week, my maintenance phase 1 to 2 times a week, what happens is I can only eat about 3,000 calories. If I eat more than that, I actually gain fat. So how we can increase our metabolism naturally is to increase how much exercise we are doing. So if you're trying to lose weight, it is so easy to lose weight once you start lifting weights. If you're not lifting weights right now and you start lifting weights 5 or 6 times a week, you're going to be able to eat way more food and the scale is going to drop tremendously. Another thing, if you don't want to lift weights, that's fine. You don't have to. Cardio, increasing how much cardio you do will instantly raise your metabolism. So that's the key for me that makes losing weight very simple, is to just increase how many times a week I'm lifting weights. And then, yeah, I do track my calories, but it's way easier to lose weight when you have increased your exercise. So that's why kind of people say combine diet and exercise. You don't have to. You can literally just do caloric intake, but trust me, it is very difficult to just track your calories and lose weight. It's way easier to exercise. That's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to make things so much easier. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.